Another little print session coming to an end. That says 99% down there. What we're printing here is a bracket that will fit onto the tripod on there if I want to. And what the bracket will actually hold is the security camera. There we go, perfect timing. And the reason I knew it was just about to finish was I was watching it on my security camera that's under there. I want to zoom in a bit. Yeah, can we see it? Oh, there we are, that's a bit better. Yeah, I've started using that so I can monitor the print, so if it all goes wrong I'm able to see it without having to run upstairs and check it every few minutes. So that thing there, that semicircular bit, will glue on the front of there, and then the camera will just sit on there, and then that sort of trapezium shape will fit on there. But we can't try it till it's cooled down a bit. So we'll come back later and see if we have a success or not. Right, that's nice and loose. That should now fit in there, which it does. Excellent. So we just super glue that on. I could have tried to print it in one piece, but I thought it was going to have more strength printed that way. And then this fella will sit in there like that, and it will stay there like that, but I'm going to stick a magnet in the back of there anyway, because this thing does have a magnet in the back that allows it to stick on things anyway. So I'll do that just to give us an extra bit of security. And then the hole at the bottom there, so we can stick a USB lead in there to keep it powered. I'll pop it on the tripod so you can see. So there we are, sitting in its tripod mount. I don't expect I'll use it in there very often, but it did occur to me it would be handy to be able to mount it on a tripod if I wanted to. So that's what this is all about. It's not a necessity, it's just something I thought it'd be handy to have. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.